We will discuss about the information of permanent resident in Germany. There is another word for it, that is settlement permit, and in German we call it as Niederlassungserlaubnis. Niederlassungserlaubnis is issued only to those people who have lived and worked in a country for a considerable period of time. PR in Germany allows non-EU and non-EEA, that is European Economic Area citizens, to stay in Germany as long as they want. Before we go step by step, let's have a look at it in general. When can one apply for a PR in Germany? If you're a skilled worker or a researcher, then you can apply for it after 4 years. You can apply for PR visa after 3 years if you're self-employed. Otherwise, if you're a family member of a German national. And lastly, if you're a freelancer or a refugee, then you can apply for PR after 5 years. Since they cannot find enough of skilled workers from Germany, they look for skilled workers from other countries. If a company from Germany offers you a job, then you can apply for either EU Blue Card or a work permit visa. That is the blaue Karte EU and Arbeitserlaubnis. The eligible criteria for EU Blue Card is if you have done the graduation for German university, you can apply for it. Also, if you have done the graduation from any other country, then your graduation should be equivalent to German qualification standards. Second thing is, if a company from Germany has offered you a job. And the third thing is, your average annual gross income is 56,400 euros or above. Now, one additional point is, if your educational background is IT, architecture, computer engineering, science, mathematics, etc., and even the medicines, and your average annual gross income is 44,304 euros or above, then you can still apply for it. The EU Blue Card validity can range from 2 years to 4 years. If a company signs a job contract with you for 2 years, then you will get EU Blue Card for 2 years plus 3 months. Now this 3 months is for you to find another job. So this EU Blue Card is dependent on the company that hires you. So if you wish to switch the company or your job to another company, then you need to give your new company details to German Foreign Office. You're eligible to apply for PR after 21 months, that is almost 2 years, if you hold EU Blue Card, if you have B1 German language certificate, and if you have already passed German citizenship test. We also call it as Einbürgerung. You're eligible to apply for PR after 33 months if you have passed German citizenship test, that is Einbürgerung, and if you have EU Blue Card. But one good thing is if you have passed only A1 German language certificate. Now, one benefit of EU Blue Card is your spouse or children can easily get dependent visa. One more good thing is they don't have to carry any German language certificate, no need of even A1 German language certificate. And if your spouse wants to work, then they can apply for EU or work permit visa once they move to Germany. So those are the benefits of EU Blue Card. If you don't have EU Blue Card but you have work permit visa, then you can apply for PR after 5 years. The cost of PR depends upon the work profile of an applicant. For skilled worker, approx 113 euros. For self-employed, approx 124 euros. And highly qualified professional has to pay approx 147 euros. The benefits of having PR is you don't have to apply to renew your residence permit every few years. You will be able to switch jobs or start a new business even if it's not related to your qualifications. You will have access to German social security benefits. You can apply for financial aid if you want to study at a German university, and you can also get a bank loan if you want to purchase real estate in Germany. And lastly, you can apply for German citizenship after living in Germany for around 8 years. In case you think I have missed out any information or you want to correct any data mentioned here, then please do comment on this video.